Have you ever noticed an unexpected charge on your Cash App? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll guide you through the Cash App dispute process to get your money back. When using Cash App, you can dispute charges just like traditional banks. It's crucial to understand the Cash App refund policy first. You can only dispute a transaction when it shows as completed. To check your transaction status, go to the Activity tab. You'll find this by tapping the clock icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Transactions are divided into pending and completed. A pending transaction can't be disputed until it's captured by the merchant. This usually occurs within 10 business days. Once it's marked completed, you have a window of 60 days from your monthly statement to dispute it. Monthly statements appear within 5 days after the month ends. Now, let's learn how to dispute a charge. Open your Cash App and navigate to the support section. Tap on Start a Chat. In the chat, type Dispute. Look for the charge you want to dispute, specifically something you used your cash card for. Avoid disputing charges from received funds or auto cash transactions. When you tap the transaction, it will show in the chat. Click on Get Started. You'll need to provide your first and last name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. The key to success? Enter a random amount that differs from your actual charge. For instance, if you spent $430, enter $43 instead. This makes the system believe there's been a mistake. Next, when prompted to upload an attachment, ignore that request. Simply click Yes to email your dispute. Follow these steps, and you'll usually see your refund within 2 to 3 business days. Remember, if you encounter unexpected charges, don't hesitate to follow this Cash App dispute process for a smooth resolution. Act now to protect your money.